How to enable left fire button in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. This is the place where you can find different options and customize it. Here, you must be in this control section. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of left fire button. So here you'll be able to find different options and you can even select them. So it's disable in ADS or always. So it's up to you and according to the gameplay that you like. So here I'm tapping on 1. So after you do this, the left fire button will be enabled. Now you can simply go back and start playing the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.